Hey guys, in a previous video I just posted, I ended it with these credits right here in a series demonstrating how I was able to earn $1,000 in free Bitcoin with no investment. And since the Lord was gracious enough to give me that, I'm going to give out my little 10% to you guys. So let's jump into this video and break down how we going to do that. All right, what's going on, guys? Hey, check it. Today, your boy is a little bit congested, so my voice might sound a little bit different, but I'm okay, so no worries about that. Just want to give you guys a heads up to let you know, hey, this is me talking. And I was just kind of replying to a comment that was left in an old YouTube video that I released, and it kind of hit me that quite a few of you guys did resonate with my content back in the days of Trip Drip, Elephant Money, and stuff like that. But some of you may have fallen off because I stopped releasing videos around October in 2023 or something like that after I pulled out of DeFi because I had to set aside some time to develop a new project. But check this out, guys. As I was looking through some of my videos going down memory lane, I remember this, you guys might remember this, where I was getting you guys to get a new drip wallet and I was dropping some free drip, dropping some USDT to try team drip and all those type of things. And I'm fast forwarding that to today because some of you guys that may have been following me that dropped off, um, I'm reaching out to you that in this video, and I'm going to do so by tagging your name. So I went through some of my videos, checked some comments, and kind of just copied some of the tags of those of you that kind of were vibing with me back then in the day, just so you know about the project that we have going on today that's been going on for about 16, 17 months now. So you may or may not be aware. And just to give you guys a heads up, this concept existed 2 years ago. So even in this video, I made a reply to someone when we were still in the realm of drip. And I'm like, if drip ultimately crashes, there's a project that I've already designed that will blow drip, animal farm, and every other DeFi project completely out of the water. I have not started development on it as of yet because all of this drip crap is taking up my time. But hopefully this will be over soon and I can move on to bigger and better things. So guys, everything played out exactly as I was mentioning to you guys. So that's why it's very entertaining to go back in some of those videos and see the conversations we had, see you guys that were out there calling me a futter and all this type of stuff. But it played out exactly as I was telling you. And even though I implemented systems to help you guys get out of it, some of you smart ones joined and you idiots refused to and considered me a futter instead. Well, now, guys, instead of building on crap projects like Drip, I am building on Bitcoin, a solid foundation that is in the trillions of dollars. And in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how you can participate if you have not already gotten in the platform, or even if you have. I have now opened up where I'm going to give away $100 in Bitcoin. So if you watch my previous video, it just shows how I was able to pull like $1,000 or something like that. It's actually above that today, but I pulled $1,000 out with no investment whatsoever. So I'm giving away $100 in free Bitcoin, and I'm going to do that to 10 wallets. So what I'm going to do is leave a link in the description to this forum post. So in order to participate, you will have to be a member of this forum, which is very non-intrusive. You just come out here, use an email address to register, and check out this post, which I will leave a link to in the description. So once you come out here, it's just telling you the steps that you're going to have to do in order to get your $10 in free Bitcoin. And you do want to be in the first 10. So the first 10 people that come out here, reply and comment after fulfilling these 3 steps will get that $10 in free Bitcoin. Okay. So like I say, I'll be sending $10 to the first 10 people. All right. So you're going to register for a Digital Crypto Solutions Bitcoin wallet. You can do so through this link here. Anytime you see a btcwallet.app, this will redirect to one of these three white label sites. And all of these are legit. Um, but this right here will iterate through each one. So it gives each platform the same amount of exposure. Okay, but if there's one in particular that you want to jump in, like if you already have a wallet in high yield BTC, a wallet in drip to BTC using the same email address, and you want to use that same email address for another wallet, you can jump into Sovereign Bitforge. Or if you just want to increase it or you don't care, hey, choose whichever platform you want because all of them are going to tie in to the back end. Okay. Step number two is to fund your wallet. So if you're an existing user of the Bitcoin wallets, you can just send $10, $20 or however much it costs to participate in the marketplace. Send that to the wallet, make a purchase in the marketplace, which is buying credits. And I'll show you guys that really quickly. And you're done with that process. And then the third thing you do is just reply to this post. Click on that post reply and leave your wallet ID so I will know to go check it, verify that you actually did create the wallet either today or after today, which is July the 15th, and that you did make at least one purchase in the marketplace. Now, some of you guys that might not be familiar with the wallets be like, hey, what is the marketplace? How do I buy credits? Blase, blase. Well, there's tons of documentation out there. But essentially, what this does, it allows you to use your Bitcoin to acquire more Bitcoin at discounted prices. Okay, so I have this wallet right here open, and purchasing credits is fairly simple. Once you have your wallet, you have some Bitcoin sitting in the wallet, you can just come out to buy credits, and it's always going to give you the credits with the greatest discounts at the top. And in this one here, I'm not going to buy $100 in credits right now. I'm buy $6 in credits. So I'll just click on this buy now, confirm that, and I'm buying up credits. And what this does, once you go back to the dashboard, the amount of credits will be added to your position here. Your Bitcoin will decrease and those credits will convert into Bitcoin over time. But keep in mind, they're converting at a 1-to-1 ratio, but you're getting credits at a discount of what I just purchased, what, 10%. And if you kind of want to see how that works, you can come down to Bitcoin price, and this can help give you an idea of the deal that you're getting. Because right now, today, with the Bitcoin price of 117,000, that's like purchasing Bitcoin at 105,000. So these are the benefits of the wallets, guys. So whether you cop this free Bitcoin or not, just come out and start using the wallet. There are ways to progressively increase your Bitcoin holdings through these wallets. And that is the manual feature. There are also automated features, but that's not the purpose of this video. So you guys head out, do those things. And again, I will be tagging about 100 or so users that followed me back in the days of Drip. And this is not exclusively for you. This is for existing wallet holders or whoever gets wind of this video or whoever accesses this post. You know, God has freely given to me, so I will freely give. All right, guys, I think that's all I got for you in this video. Follow up, and if you don't, hey, that's all well and fine for me because I will enjoy sitting on my own Bitcoin. All right, we will holler on the next one. Peace out.